way to get the room. Now hold back just a little bit. You're almost in there. I said, crack the door all up there now. Keep the door open. It's locked. You got locked, baby. Oh hell. We're like downtown now.
What are you doing there, Charlie?
Making sure the door doesn't open. Look at that. It's amazing.
What'd I do today?
You bought a truck or a motor for the Chrysler.
Yeah, no, oh wait.
I don't think your window rolls down, bud. We don't have
My window don't work. Oh. Got new rear gear in it.
It rubs a little bit when you turn to the left.
Yeah, we ain't got no wides on this either, do we?
It's been wrecked.
It's wrecked pretty hard. The frame's probably a little bent.
It's been scary.
Oh!
It's not ideal.
Something's definitely not connected. As long as you hold the wheel, it actually don't drive bad.
It's kind of scary. It just shifted through all the gears. So. The transmission's working.
I mean, as long as you hold the wheel, it drives straight.
It's got 40 pounds of oil pressure.
Exhaust sounds good.
Oh god.
You got washer fluid in it?
No.
Nope. Empty.
Oh. It's not overheating instantly. The truck the engine is attached to kind of sucks. But the engine seems good.
Yeah. Oh, who's this up here? Ouch.
I don't know if we can turn around here. We can't really turn to the left very good.
Well, then we could
I can turn
go up
to the
and
right. Oh,
you
we
could
can't turn to
go
the right.
slowly this way and
No, I got
back.
I got this road. See?
Oh, look, it does this turn perfect.
Seems like it should.
It's
be pretty good.
pretty healthy. It feels healthy. This is the Tesla auto drive system we have in this Silverado. We just, yeah, it's only, this is a left turn truck. This is for NASCAR. We patent this creation,
Just my hands on the steering wheel
and it just automatically makes a turn.
It's beautiful. It actually won't do a very good burnout. I'm kind of disappointed.
Really?
Doesn't seem like it when it's this. I'll do it here so I don't wake up the neighbor.
Yeah, that's how you should. Oh, that's 2 o'clock. Damn, cleaning it up.
They're probably sleeping. No, it's pushing the front drive.
Dang, that sucks.
I need burnout lube or something.
Could use the dirt over
I
there.
don't think it's got enough brakes to hold it.
Oh god.
There's no way that was 59 miles an hour.
Oh, this ain't kind of boogies. What heap or what it is.
Okay.
Let me go get some water. This ain't no bad. If it wasn't all broken up, I'd just fix it.
Something is insanely broke on the front of this. The horn doesn't work.
You don't need a horn.
It says it's got a brake system failure.
Yeah, the ABS is on.
The brake light's on.
Ow.
What a unit.
You know what this would be perfect for? The cheap car challenge.
Yeah.
derby shit.
You gotta fix that first.
Oh no! Oh, we're not making a left-hand turn here, are we? Oh, boy! Okay.
There's probably nails sticking out of that. I don't know if I want to bust your tires. New plan.
Reverse works.
I kind of like the noise it makes.
Yeah.
It's a very nice tone to it.
They do gnarly burnouts down in the dirt down there.
Hold on, there's mud right here. What if I get mud on the tires and then go out on the road and try to do a burnout?
That, and they're also where they're basically bald. I'm surprised it won't spin them, but those might be acting as self-made radios. So.
Oh, it's got an open diff.
So it's only spinning one of them.
Yeah.
Oh, that's poo-poo.
It just doesn't like doing burnouts. It's a shame.
Damn. Need a lot of water. And it's still got an open diff, so it wouldn't matter.
Well, it's spinning both. It's spinning this side for sure. Is it spinning that side?
It left tire tracks.
I don't know.
Yeah, you don't want none, Jacob.
Oh God.
Oh no.
Bought it. It's not mine. I might just move my door. I don't know if the cab's moving or...
We should just cut that fender off. We should just take the whole fender off. We would never.
Yeah, it's a unit. We're just in the middle.
We're gooning this thing. Well, airbags work.
We should clean this road and do a test hill.
There's nowhere long enough.
No, we turn around.
Where are you going to take up here to do a test hit? Something dead right there. I see skeleton spine.
Oh, look, the rear end. I had a plan. I was going to slide it around.
There's a gas tank over here.
Oh, let's get out of here before we break down.
It doesn't like moving forward, going left.
What a unit.
I wish my window worked.
I'm pretty confident in this motor, though. It still hasn't got hot. It's sitting at like...
We don't even know if it has coolant in it.
It's sitting at 200
It definitely has
degrees.
some.
I think that was 40 pounds of oil pressure still. And it's warmed up now. That's good. I like it.
Tow and haul mode work?
I don't think so.
I didn't see anything light up.
On the dash.
This poor truck.
This is
It was probably a unit before the accident.
I've never drove a two-wheel drive Silverado. Oh. It gets kind of stuck.
Does it really?
Yeah, you gotta yank it. The dome light.
Oh, that one does.
Oh. Oh my
Oh,
God. This thing's nice.
Everything's working, dude. Oh, still got the mirrors.
This thing's unique.
The radio works. The speakers work. Blinkers
Something in the
work.
front is more broken than just that piece. Is there anything going?
It's clear my way.
Yeah, it's peppy.
It's got some ass.
If it didn't wheel hop so bad, it would spin. I don't want to break the rear end though. I like it. I like driving with my steering wheel at a 90-degree angle to go in a straight.
That's how it's supposed to be. It It does. Oh shit!
That's my favorite part about it.
It's so dangerous.
You let off the steering wheel and it just cuts that way as hard as it can.
He never mentioned that in the. Oh, ow! Don't mind us. Free turns. That's so thoughtful. Horn don't work though. But she hasn't got mad yet, but I'm gonna close it down. There we go, guys. We'll catch up to you. Gotta get run up, Charlie. It's spinning like right when you go. Come on, you got it. Well, you tried.
That's the best I can do.
You tried. So what do we think of the new rig?
If it was a 4-wheel drive, it would have made it.
Oh yeah.
Maybe if it had tires on it.
They're bald.
Yeah. I like it.
I do
I
too.
think it's a good motor. Good transmission.
Good parts truck.
The rest of it ain't great.
Oh, when you're trying to go up that hill, the whole front tire was just like doing that movement.
We were just driving it like that, right?
Didn't feel like it though. It was smooth once
55
you.
mile an hour.
It was smooth. But yeah. Well, guys, guess we're gonna end it right there.
Truck.
New truck.
Oh, God, we're making it.
So it has come apart, Charlie.